Shipai India ga kam ga yo ban penyap kumba Shipai Ngut ai gi Lehnoh ga pelong ketembat a jakari ke Pakistan hak jingkha jongki hak ni gisngi. Director General Military Operation Lieutenant General Rajiv Khairul Pentip mentah kesngi khawi tarik jumbang ajal pusan sekelap trak hubor ba nawal gi Lehnoh ni teroris kumba sau phungut ki Shipai ke Pakistan ki aklon yap hak jingkha ke India. Kaban kalian ke India ke bayap ki dan san ngut ki Shipai hak ni jingkha kepada kumba sau sengi ai. Sangut kini dalam bahmat kini hon pentrim negeri teroris kibara kolonial kini tup yau Yusuf Asad Abdul Malik Rauf bar Mudasi Ahmed kini dalam kini hon pentrim gidai badan keti haga jeng hir thama ya India kini tup ban raboy ki aeroplane IC Shispa Prapua hak snem radep bar kajing petai bom hapur wana haga bakal kat kandai ngut Shipai ga khat hak snem alai jaka bak India ke khawit lembaga operation sindur lagi kita Lehnoh kadai hasawai nala saja murid ge kotri kulpul memona joya bimba bat bahawalpur kajing tel ka India ke simpul absen menit ban prai ni kita Lehnoh Pakistan UDGMO wa ong bak India ka tel ni kita Lehnoh dak budget bat pikir pa ban om kata ya ki leu pajba Orang robak Shipai India kilong ibrak krek banyak tengku bak Shipai Pakistan ni kinu jing tenju hakano kena kepol ada kawan kajing pending.
Operation Sindoor was conceptualized with a clear military aim to punish the perpetrators and planners of terror and to destroy their terror infrastructure. I have no doubt in my mind that we achieved total surprise. And those strikes across those 9 terror hubs left more than 100 terrorists killed, including high-value targets such as Yusuf Azhar, Abdul Malik Rauf, and Mudassir Ahmed that were involved in the hijack of IC-814 and the Pulwama blast. The Pakistan Army has reported to have lost approximately 35 to 40 personnel in artillery and small arms firing on the line of control between the 7th and the 10th of May. What the other side had probably also not reckoned with was the speedy and precise turnaround and hit back by the Indian Air Force